Hello again, Fragrance fam. It's Maddie here in the AFI Project Lab, and it's been a while since we've made some aroma beads. I wanted to feature one of our top-selling fragrances for home fragrance in today's video. It's our version of Midnight Blue Citrus by Bath & Body Works. So these are aroma beads. They're tiny plastic beads that absorb oil-based liquids and slowly release them into the air over time. Make sure you're getting these when you follow along today. Water beads won't work since they're designed to absorb, well, water. The ones I'm using are called aroma beads, but you might also find them being sold as freshy beads. We can measure them directly into a mason jar to help save us some cleanup. Make sure you have a tight fitting lid so you can screw on, along with a corresponding frog lid. That's the lid with the little slits on the top. Typically, a pound of these beads can hold an ounce of fragrance, but this will depend on how thick the fragrance is. This is a usage rate of about 6%, but there's some leeway with this figure. I've used as much as 10% fragrance before, but you'll want to start with less and add 1% more fragrance at a time after the initial soaking period. If the beads don't dry after 24 to 48 hours, then there's too much fragrance and you'll have to balance it out with more beads. For our version of Bath & Body Works Midnight Blue Citrus, I'm going to stick with 6% since it's plenty strong as is. I'm also adding in 1 drop of blue candle dye. 1 or 2 is all you need since these dyes are intensely concentrated. Screw the cap on and give it a thorough shake until the color is evenly distributed. As the beads soak up the fragrance, they'll become dry to the touch, which means everything is absorbed. After a day or 2, you can swap the regular lid for a frog lid to act as a tabletop air freshener, or fill a sachet bag with the beads to hang in a closet or toss into a drawer. These are a quick little craft that you can make with the little bits of fragrance that you have left over from other projects, or you can make it in bulk with just a few simple steps. There's also the opportunity to make these little air freshies. They're so cute. So let me know if you want to see how to do that in our next video, and I'll be happy to show you guys how. Until then, thanks for watching, Fragrance fam. Find this fragrance and thousands more over on our web store at afi-usa.com/shop. So I'll see you guys again in the next video really soon. Bye!